Here's the unboxing of the Lowrider 2 I recently purchased. Got a lot of extras, so I'll explain that once we get to it. As you can see, it's a pretty tightly packed box. That's like 11.5 inches. Top's pretty good too. So they did a good job on shipping. It's pretty good. I'm gonna leave that there just for size reference. Sorry about the low scale camera quality here. I don't have any fancy equipment, but I didn't see any videos out there. I was kind of wondering what all came in the box with this Lowrider 2 CNC kit. So here to make a quick video, maybe it helps someone else out. So again, just tight packaging. You know, seem like they're pretty useful of their resources. Kind of nice. I don't know exactly all the names of this, so I might struggle and have to look up some things, but you know, these are Z-axis rods. It's part of the standard kit. You got some wires in here, nice bag. I got a lot of extras. I see some switches in there for the dual end stop firmware. We'll get to that in a second. We have the Rambo board, which you can purchase separately. You can get your own if you already have one. I didn't have anything similar, so I went ahead and bought the Rambo 1.4 kit, 5 outlets, or whatever you call them, not outlets, but I also got the LCD screen, so both of them fit in this box. It's going to run a headless operation. So yep, nice LED kit. Then the board itself with the 5 outputs. And nice anti-static packaging, pretty standard. So that fits in a nice box. Pretty cool. 4 wheels that'll ride along there in the side. This little skateboard style, nothing fancy. 2, 3. There's a 4th. And we also have our motors. Nice foam packaging so they don't get knocked apart. None of the magnets demagnetize. So pretty good setup there. Again, just some zip ties. Get the wires nice and tight. Nuts, bolts, screws technically I guess. Everything put together. Like I said, I got some individual wires for the extra outputs. I think that might be them. More bolts. More bolts. Nuts. Got the couplers, rollers, bearings, all that standard stuff. Some lube, Loctite. I think these are more bearings for all the rollers, so it can go roll along the output tubes. More stuff, more of the same. Long bolts. See the individual wires if you want the dual end stop firmware. You have to buy separate wires now, or up the outlets and the switches. More nuts and bolts. And KA star. GPU, not 100% sure what this is. Oh, power outlet. Looks like another type of power outlet. Yeah, just your power cords. So, like I said, pretty tight packaging. Seems like everything's here. I'm gonna reset, take a look at what I actually ordered, what comes standard. Oh, you got more. So belt material. Looks like quite a lot. Nylon lock nuts, 40 of them, and then some more wires, another bolt here. Yep, so that's what all comes in the package. Power cords, LCD kit which was extra, Arduino board, wires, motors, belt, rollers / bearings, multiple wires, nuts and bolts, more rollers, screws, bolts, power cords and zip ties, along with some rollers. So I'll be going to be back in a second. I'll sort out what I actually purchased extra, what came with the kit, and different things.